Let's talk about how to get started. Opening an iFlip account takes less than 10 minutes. Just visit iFlipinvest.com and click Get Started, or download the iFlip mobile app. Step 1. Let's create an account. Enter your email and choose a secure password. Then review and accept our terms and conditions to proceed. Step 2. Learn the basics. Next, we'll walk you through a quick introduction to how iFlip works, including how to choose your core SmartFolio, the foundation of your investment strategy. You'll choose from 3 options: conservative, balanced, and aggressive. These are designed for different risk profiles. Pick the one that fits your comfort level, and remember, you can change it anytime. Step 3. Verify your identity. To comply with regulations, we'll guide you through a brief identity verification process, similar to what you've done when opening other financial accounts. Click Continue and follow the instructions to provide the required information. Step 4. Choose your account type. You'll select the account type that fits your goals, whether it's an individual, retirement, or business account. You can add additional account types later as needed. Step 5. Fund your account. Next, answer a few compliance questions, then you're ready to fund. Most people use ACH bank transfers. They're fast and simple. You can also fund via wire transfer or choose to fund later. Select your funding method, amount, and whether you'd like a one-time or recurring deposit. Keep in mind, recurring deposits are great for building consistency and long-term growth. That's it. Once you complete your transfer, your iFlip account is ready. You now have full access to your dashboard, performance tracking, SmartFolios, and the tools to manage your investments, all from desktop or mobile. Welcome to the iFlip family. Explore our other videos for a deeper dive into the platform and strategies. Let's grow smarter together.